นะคะวอดอก็เป็นเพื่อนฝรั่งนะคะอันนี้มาร์คนะคะก็เราจะมาดูความคิดเห็นของมาร์คนะคะว่ายังไง Hi Mark you want to say hi to everyone
Hi everyone.
Yeah so Mark I have a question about
That's good.
many places they said like $10 $20 a month and when it's go to life insurance that Ying just told me why $300
It depends on what you're buying. You have term where you have a set amount of time. Usually it's a term, means it's 5 years or 10 years, whatever you choose, and a set amount of death benefit. If you don't die within that time frame, that insurance company takes all your money.
That's how they make money
Yeah.
Okay but the one that Ying just offered to me
Oh,
so
yeah.
it's more like a saving
Yep, it does both. It has a term policy and it also has the retirement aspect. So the reason why it's so popular is the 3 reasons. Live too long, die too soon, get sick along the way. Somebody's going to experience either one of those 3. We don't know what's going to happen, but it's better to have, like a 401k. It's a retirement plan, but how much do people know about it?
Right
I didn't know anything about it.
I don't know about 401k that there's so much tax if you
Oh,
want
yeah.
to take the money out.
How we fight a lot.
Oh yeah, me and her fought.
Yeah.
And I also lost a good amount of money in that because I didn't know that it was invested strictly into stocks. As the stock goes up and down, that's your money at risk. We sell index universal policies. Your money is safe. So during COVID, most of our, or I would say every single customer of ours didn't lose a single penny because it's at the end of the year. However it performed, you get it credited to your account. So if you were negative, you'd keep your money. What kind of game could you play where let's go to the casino, I'll give you $100 and you walk out with another 100? That's not possible.
It's not possible. So the life insurance offer all that
Yep.
you're not losing your money
Yeah.
while you save that. If you save in the stock, which is 401k, it can go up and down. That's what you try to explain. If someone is skeptical about getting one, what should you tell them? Like, hey,
Dig around, figure out what you can afford. What do you like? There's plenty of life insurances out there. You have term, you got variable, whole life, IUL, and final expense. Depending on your situation, there's different products. Final expense, if you get denied for life insurance, final expense is a good option because it's a backwards loan. So instead of you getting the money now and you pay, you do down payments, and then if you die during that time, here's the money now.
okay.
Term, usually when you're healthy and you don't expect to die, so you can pay low amount but have a high death benefit. Whole life and IUL are the same. The only difference is how they're invested. IUL, you're invested in annuities. Whole life is stocks. You have variable. Variable is like you're playing in the stocks. If the stocks does good, you don't have to pay that much.
I think it's a game change to save the money instead of into the bank,
Yeah.
but you save it into life insurance,
Yeah.
and then you can get
Become your own
benefits.
bank.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Become
become
your-
your own bank.
Yep,
Yeah.
you can take loans out of it. With our company, we sell only 5% of the loans. So if you get a variable or a fixed, variable it goes up and down. If the stock market's doing great, it can be pretty much nullified. Fixed, the highest we ever did was 5%, which, I mean, where can you get a loan today?
Yeah.
5%, I mean,
You
that's,
cannot get that for
get anywhere,
5%.
yeah.
no, everyone,
10% up now.
oh yeah, 10% up. My credit card right now is at 23%.
Yeah.
My Visa's at 20, so it's only going up. So my favorite thing is saying there's 5 things we don't talk about: death, politics, religion, income, and retirement. You don't talk about it now. When you open that door, you don't want to see the end end result.
True. That's so true. What are you gonna say if someone say that? Oh my God, it's so expensive. I don't have any.
Well, oh yeah, me and the wife, we fought for a good at least 6 months. My premium is $315 a month for $500,000. So I didn't understand the amount because $315 to me, that's a brand new used car.
Yeah.
I do down payment.
Right.
She didn't really explain the benefits of it because I'm like $315 a month. That is a ridiculous amount of money. What could I do with the $315 a month? I also had a 401k. I'm like, well, I already have a retirement plan. Didn't know about the vitality of a 401k. I didn't know if I take out money before I'm a certain age, 20% additional fee. So I'm even losing more money. Well, if she explained it in the way where it's an investment and life insurance and it's a long-term, vehicle, it would make more sense. But
if I explain everything, he will not get himself to it. That's why I want him to get himself to it, learn about it. Yeah.
So it's mean like if you want to get the life insurance, you need to know the policy. You need to know the product, and is it fit your lifestyle and benefit you at the end?
Yeah. Well, it's what fits you perfectly, but most people, they're like, well, this is an individual car. Well, what kind of car do you want? Do you want a Subaru? You want a sedan? Well, that's the body type.
Right.
The Porsche is the make and model. But it's one of those, that's why I fought with her, because I just saw the loss of the money. Because I didn't see the end results. And then when I looked at my statement, after I put all that money in, I saw the benefit of the cash value. I had more than what I put in. So I realized, okay, well, this is doing better than a CD. Current CDs are between 4 and 5%.
Allow 4.
And it performed at 10%. So I doubled what I would have done if I put it in a CD.
Gotcha. Wow. So I think it's really interesting to put the money instead of the bank into the life insurance. Or like Ying just said, you don't put the whole thing, you just save some to the bank and some to the life insurance.
You save same amount. That's just like half on the pocket A and pocket B.
Well, you normally when you budget, you do 70, 50, 30, 10, 5, and then another 5 to add up to 100. You want at least 3 months of emergency funds just in case something happens, because life's not promised tomorrow. You want to have cash. You want liquid cash, which IUL does that. You can take out a loan off the cash value. You can also, figure out what you want to do. But personally, I didn't think that life insurance was that valuable. And then, things would have changed differently if my mom, she was diagnosed with cancer and she died. She actually did have life insurance term. But it's one of those, back then you didn't have the option of living benefits.
So the living benefit is the game change for the moment. If you cannot work, if something happened to you, the living benefit will give you something back to support your life at the moment while you're living, not just while you're dead.
In the past doesn't have that, but right now they have it.
Yeah, so you can have the money. So if you follow FEG, a guy named Kip, he was diagnosed with cancer. Since living benefits, he was able to get holistic medicine to cure his cancer. Now he's completely remission free. Before, normally when you get cancer, you go chemo, so it's a double-edged sword. So one side, cancer wins, the other side, you die.
Right.
Or you live.
If you guys have a saving and you feel like you want to save and support your life while you cannot work, if something happened, I don't want anything to happen to you guys, but all those insurance will be the thing that support your loved one, to be secure. And on top of that, your saving will help you
later in life.
Right.
Later in life.
Right.
And you also can do accidental. Additional fee, you can do accidental. So if you get in a car accident, it's kind of like if you Geico, where you crash, now I can't go back to work until I'm healed. They do have that in a policy where you can apply it, and I can't go to work, here's workman's comp through the life insurance.
Okay, Mark, so if I want to save the money in the bank and the life insurance, can you explain what different, like what you think is
Well, Well, it's nice to put money in a bank because it's liquid. You can easily pull it out, play with it, or put it back in. Banks usually give you a CD, which is right now 4 to 5%. That's not very much, but it's safe. But if you touch it before it matures, you lose all that interest you accumulated. They only give you that 4 to 5% because they take your actual liquid money and they loan it out to car loans, personal expense, which they charge you at least 10, 15, 20%, and they only pay you 5. So they're using your own money to make money off of you.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's how the bank rich.
that's why this.
Money.
Well, that's the saying. The house always wins in the casino.
All right.
But with life insurance, you get added benefits that you don't get with the bank because if something happens to me with living benefits, now I get a bigger lump sum of money and I can deal with the problem. Where a bank, I only put $5,000 into a CD, I need it now. But if I only have $5,000 and something bad happens to me, that's not going to be enough. Now I need to find additional funds. The bank's just going to look at you as like, well, you only have $5,000, here you go. With life insurance, it's nice because now something happened to me, I can do something with it. Either I take the full lump sum, I take a percentage, I get a percentage, now I deal with the problem. And knowing that I can deal with the problem is less stress because now I don't have to worry about going to work. I don't have to worry about, okay, well, I'm sick now. I have to go to work and pretty much I'll die at work. You take the money and relax, something off your plate. Most people, when they're sick, they only have one wish. That's to, be healthy. Rich person, 1,000 things they want. When you're sick, you just want to be healthy. So if you have money and assets to get the best treatment, it's off your head.
You have 5,000 in the bank.
Yeah.
And 5,000 in life insurance. They benefit you differently.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because that 5,000 will give you more.
Yeah.
The bank, you have only 5,000. You all said that, and that limited. But the health insurance 5,000 value that you has been paid to them, they cover your living benefit. They're helping you about medical bills.
Critical, terminal, chronic illness, and then you can also get what's called accidental rider. If something happens, instead of you filing for workman's comp and trying to get money from the, employer, that's going to be hard to do.
Right. Yeah. So if I put 5,000 in the bank, where's 5,000 into life insurance? It totally benefit me differently.
We run for it. It's better to have it work for you than you work for the money.
Yeah.
Wow. So you think like if me and my husband, 2 people, just me doing it, or should we both do it?
You both should do it.
We both should do it.
Yeah, to support each other. Yeah, if like something happened to you, he gonna have something to cover his life, and something happened to him, you're gonna have something support you for your life too.
But then again, you choose what you want because there's tons of products out there. You choose what benefits you.
If people want to talk about life insurance more, they can contact you guys directly or contact to my channel.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
So reach out to Ying, or if you speak English, you can reach out to Mark. Yeah, so you can understand more product and see what is fit you the best, So if you guys feel like there is a side hustle or you want to change career, the insurance agent is still open as well.
Yeah.
You don't have to go to a 9 to 5.
About that, if you just want to change your career, just let us know. You're gonna be happy when you study about it because you can manage your money and you're gonna see all the way that you never seen it before. Yeah, and you're gonna study on it and everything is gonna change your
Perception.
perception. Right, that like me, I have to use like people work here, they work really hard. I do understand that because I am one of them too. I work like when I be here, we work like 7 days, right?
7
We
days
be
straight,
here and we walk all the day. Did not like have time to take care of ourselves. We have to stay 8 hour 10 hour at the work yeah when you would like to change something to be the life insurance like a only like a 1 month or 3 weeks that you have to pay attention on it get the license and everything and then your life is gonna change yeah like me I have more free time I have more money freedom of life freedom of money and freedom of love
Oh,
Yeah. So both of you guys have more free time to, build a strong relationship and more like escape 9 to 5 job and then your financial stability.
yeah, there you go. Stability.
That's the key. Yeah.
yeah
สุด
แล้วขอเป็นตอนนี้นะคะเราก็เขาเรียกว่าเขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะงาน คือใครอยากจะเป็น
ใช่
Life Insurance Agent นะคะ
ใช่
ก็ติดต่อหญิงมาได้เลยหญิง
ถ้าสมมติว่าอยากจะมาลองเรียนรู้นะคะ มาได้เลยหญิงยินดีสอนให้ แต่ว่าคือเราต้องบอกว่าอย่าตอนแรกๆเนี่ยอาจจะท้อหน่อยว่าเฮ้ยเราจะขายใครอะไรยังไง แต่ว่า don't give up นะคะ ถ้าเรา give up อ่ะความฝันเราก็จบไปด้วยดังนั้นอ่ะ
สู้ๆ
ให้ใช่อย่างที่บอกสู้ๆให้ doing แล้วก็จนถึงที่สุดนะทำมันให้ถึงที่สุดถ้าอย่างน้อยถ้าไปถึงนะตรงนั้นแล้วเราไม่ประสบความสำเร็จเราจะไม่เสียใจเลยว่าเรายังไม่ได้ทำเราจะดีใจด้วยซ้ำเราทำมันแล้วเราลงมือทำเต็มที่แล้วอย่างหญิงก็เหมือนกันไงกับตอนแรกๆนะคือแบบโอ้โหกิฟต์อัพมากเลยสามีก็ไม่ support
Oh.
he not support me in the first time
No no
หลังจากนั้นอ่ะพอเราพูดตัวเองให้เขาเห็นเรามีการขายมากขึ้นแล้วเขาเห็นแล้วว่าเราอ่ะอยากช่วยคนจริงๆแล้วเขาก็เอาตัวเองเข้ามาเรียนรู้ด้วยคราวนี้ก็กลายเป็นว่าเขาซัพพอร์ตเราทุกอย่างพอคราวนี้เราซัพพอร์ตเรามีลูกค้าเราขายเขาด้วยความจริงใจเราบอกเขาหมดทุกอย่างว่าเฮ้ยประกันมันเป็นอย่างนี้นะมันมีทั้งข้อดีข้อเสียนะแล้วตัวไหนมันเหมาะกับพี่ตัวไหนมันไม่เหมาะกับพี่อย่างเงี้ยเราขายเขาด้วยความจริงใจเราไม่ได้ไปยัดเยียดเขาแต่เราเอาความรู้ไปให้เขาจงภาคภูมิใจไว้เลยแล้วอีกอย่างคือประกันเนี่ยทำงานเขาเรียกว่าทำงานแข่งกับยมพบาลต้องบอกอย่างนี้ใช่ถ้าสมมติว่าไปเจอครอบครัวนั้นเร็วครอบครัวนั้นก็รอดใช่
อันนี้ก็จะเป็นแบบว่าสำหรับคนที่อยากจะเรียนรู้การขายประกันด้วยนะฮะก็สามารถติดต่อหญิงก็ได้นะฮะหรือว่ามาร์กนะถ้าเป็นใครที่พูดภาษาอังกฤษนะฮะมาร์กก็ยินดีที่จะสอนด้วยนะฮะ
หรือติดต่อมาที่วูดดี้ได้เลย
นะคะหรือว่าอินบ็อกมาที่วูดดี้ดีแต่เที่ยวก็ได้นะจ๊ะสำหรับคลิปนี้ก็ไม่ได้พาไปเที่ยวที่ไหนนะก็จะมีแต่สาระนะฮะที่หวังว่าจะเป็นประโยชน์กับเพื่อนๆที่มานั่งฟังหรือว่าดูคลิปนี้นะคะ so Mark I wish all this content is benefit all the Thai audience or any speaker English speaker that they came to see my video today so I hope they seen the good side of the health insurance and life insurance all the insurance that can benefit them in the US, which is the most important thing. Is one of
we really wish this video like help you a lot who that right now decide to to buy the insurance. Just buy it. Believe me.
And if you alright, thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.